Sairam, good evening, friends. This is your JK from JK Astro. Today's topic is medical astrology and Prashna. It is particularly I given at the request of some people who wanted to know about medical astrology. Because, see, whoever does professionally, lot of people will come. They may inquire about medical things, about patients and other things. Their own relative would have been admitted in the hospital. They want to know about the status of the patient. So this is the purpose. Before proceeding further, I request all of you to subscribe if you are not done, and also share my videos to everyone if you like this video. Because that is the Guru Dakshana you are giving to me, that is the motivation you are giving to me to share my knowledge. Whatever the knowledge I get from various sources, from lot of teachers, from various books, and then I practice all those things, whether it's working or not. All these things I am doing just to share with you. The same way, I request you to share this knowledge to everyone, to your astro friends. Now we are coming to subject. See, some people are coming and asking you, sir, my brother has been admitted, or my wife has been admitted, my husband has been admitted, one of the relatives has been admitted. Just we want to know the status, how you will be. Something like that they will ask. Then immediately you have to put the prashna. Before seeing the horoscope, you put the prashna. Then if the Lagna Lord is retrograde, that is Vagraha, then you have to suggest. You should not say, you must change the doctor. You have to suggest that the doctor may be changed. Because we should not tell like that. When you tell, because we are not Brahma, see, some other combination must be there, maybe overlooking that. So, we have to suggest. We say the doctor may be changed because Lagna Lord is Vakra. Then if the fourth Lord is Vakra, that means retrograde, then you have to suggest that medicine may be changed. Okay. If the seventh Lord is Vakra, then you are sure that doctor is misguiding these people or disease is misguiding these people. Then you have to tell, saying that, why don't you take a second opinion instead of saying that doctor is misguiding you, so the doctor is fraud or something like that. Because we should not tell. If you know that it's a fact, but you have to tell mildly and diplomatically. So you have to tell them, why don't you take a second opinion on this doctor's advice? That will give the clarity to them. If the second doctor disagrees with this first doctor, then they themselves will think, alright, what is this? This doctor told me like this doctor says no. Then they may go to another doctor also to verify both these doctors' versions. Okay? Or disease may be misguiding them. That means the doctor has not diagnosed it properly. That also you can tell them. See, the disease may be misguiding you. You tell the doctor and take the second opinion also. Okay? If the 10th Lord is Vakra, that is retrograde, so immediately you can tell them, no, this disease will take some time to cure, please have patience. That you can, so that people, they will be ready financially, mentally. If Rahu or Ketu in Lagna, you can say the disease is done, because Rahu and Ketu are shadowy planets. So disease is hidden. So you have to tell them, see, you have to go for a further diagnostic things. Why don't you have some other lab and ask them to use some modern equipments, MRI, CAT scan, X-ray, all those things, machinery, all this X-rays and other things, because these are all Rahu Karakatvas. See, when you use the Rahu Karakatva, then only this will think. Ketu means immediately you have to say alternate medicines. You have to go for instead of allopathy, you go for alternate medicines. Unani, something like that. Siddha Vidya, something like that. So, I think, I hope this information will be useful to you. If this information is useful to you, again I request you all, please share this video to everyone so that everyone get this knowledge. Thank you. Good day to you. We'll see in our next video. Thank you again.